In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to reset Microsoft Word to default settings here in your Windows 11. Now, without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to navigate here at the keyboard, press Windows key and R key together, and in that way, you would be able to see or open a new window called Run. Here, please type for regedit. It is regedit and click on the OK button to continue. Now, if you would receive a notification where your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on opening this registry editor. So first, you need to navigate on the side and please locate with HK current user and then double tap to expand the list. And this time, please select for the software. Once you find it, you need to double tap here and locate for the Microsoft. Once you find it, please do the same and that is to double tap it and here you need to scroll down on the list and locate for Office. Okay, once you find it, you need to double tap again. And this time you might have different version. Okay, but that's completely the same. Okay, all you need to do is you need to select for 16. And then here you can see this word. Just have to make a right click and click on delete. Okay, so the moment you click on delete, you would be able to successfully reset your Microsoft Word to default settings. Just restart your computer and you're good to go. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully this video had helped you a lot. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.